We talk a lot on this channel about how easy it is to put a PC together. But can you put a PC together with a set of oven mitts on? So, from this point forward, I'm wearing oven mitts. Here we have the case we're going to be building in. It's a phanteks Eclipse P300A, I believe. We got it for, I got it for free from Nolan because he decided not to build in it because of some AIO power button clearance issues, so they went with a different case. But I have a case to build in, and I can kind of grab the thumb screws. So that's what we're using for a case. The motherboard we're using is my trusty old Gigabyte X370 Gaming K7. It's a really good looking motherboard. It's nice and big so I can handle it. Oh god, we got some stringers already. For the RAM we have some Vengeance LPX DDR4 3200 megahertz. It'll work. I can kind of handle that. Probably should have picked something bigger. We have a Ryzen 7 1700. Old boy. Not too afraid of damaging that one. For the GPU, we have a zotac 1070 amp extreme. It's really big, so I can handle it. You sense a theme here. I'm picking big parts so I can hold them with these big hands and no fingers. Oof. We have a 500 gigabyte SSD PNY. It's just an SSD. For the power supply, we're using Benchy's coolermaster GX 750 watt. It's non-modular, which makes it easier for me because I'd have a heck of a time trying to connect any modular power connectors onto the back of this thing, especially if it was in the case. So, non-modular it is. One of the most important things here, magnetic screwdriver. I don't think I'd be able to do this without a magnetic screwdriver. Okay, so let's start with what I can imagine is going to be the most difficult part of all of this. Putting a CPU in a socket with hands that are giant hands. Can I even open the CPU thingy? Give me the CPU. Come here. I do have tools. Now my ability to use said tools kind of questionable. Like on any other day. Can I even get the CPU sleeve open? Okay, I got the CPU sleeve open. Stay open. Stay. Pull the lever up. Pull the lever across. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave the lever down because that's going to get in my way if I try to install this. Lord. This is where I kill my 1700 trying to get it into a CPU socket. Yes. Maybe I'll take the CPU, place it against the socket. Where's the arrow at? This is a terrible idea. Don't try to do this. Your poor CPU will not thank you for this. Okay, we're close. We're close. Just kind of nudge it into place over its aligned pins. Yeah. It dropped. Okay, I have to pull the lever up now. Ah, it fell into the socket. Oh yeah. Alright, we got the CPU in the socket. I thought that was going to be a huge hurdle, but clearly it is no match for me. What's next? I guess I'll put the RAM in. Corsair, low profile RAM. Why didn't I pick bigger RAM? I end up with the notch. Oh, I'm in the wrong slot. There we go. There we go. Oh no. Alright, we got the RAM in. Alright, I'm gonna set this, well, I'm gonna put a cooler on it. We're using a a beautiful AMD Wraith cooler. Can I get it off of the bracket that I have it for storage? Struggling. Currently struggling. There we go. Get off the... I should have prepped this beforehand, but now I'm wearing the mitts. I can't take them off. Thermal paste. I cheated a little bit. I took the biggest tube of thermal paste that I could find. Suckers. Oh, we got thermal paste on there. This cooler is like hard enough to use when you don't have oven mitts on. I'm cheating a lot here with these needle nose. I got it. I think I got it. That's actually kind of dangerous. You could hurt yourself if you weren't wearing oven mitts. Gotta get plug the fan in. Give me the fan connector. Okay, the fan connector. Got the fan connector in. We do a little bit of cable management here. Maybe not. Maybe we won't be doing cable management here. Oh, wait. Yeah. All right, that's good enough. The motherboard is kind of assembled. It's kind of hard to handle it because all little solder points on the back pick away at my gloves, my oven mitts. All right, let's go ahead and prep the case because there's no way that I'm going to be routing any connectors with the motherboard in there. I could take these screws out with the screwdriver, but that would be too easy. Might as well struggle with the pair of oven mitts on while I have them. One back panel. All right, let's get a power supply in there. Got a USB connector. Some front panel stuff can go through here. Don't fall back out. Don't do this to me. Get the screw ready. All right. 4 screws in the power supply. Woohoo! Let's run the wires for the GPU. GPU wire. Let's get that 24-pin rolling. Man, they really made 24-pin cables short back in the day. It's kind of an older power supply. And CPU. Where is CPU power? Here, another GPU. I think it'd be a really small hole to work with here. Oh yes, it looks as if we have an SSD mount here too. Maybe we should go ahead and mount an SSD. I get so sidetracked when I'm doing this. And this thing comes up and out. Oh, is there a latch there? You stay there. You don't go nowhere. Yes, there we go. How's this gonna work? I'm gonna put it on the edge of the table. And I need SSD screws. Remember guys, SSDs are a nice fine thread. Man, it just wants to move away from me while I'm trying to do this. I got an idea. Puts the PC on top of it. Yeah, try moving away now. That didn't work as well as I thought it would. My hands are getting sweaty. Oh no. Just put my hand flat on top of it. I got 2 screws in. Man, this really would just not be possible without a magnetic screwdriver. Okay. SSD is mounted to the SSD mount. And then this goes on here. I think. Nice. Let's give that some power. Oh, maybe I should have given that power before I did that. Guess I'll attach a SATA connector to it. Dang it. Still haven't taken the oven mitts off. We're just struggling. SATA cable. Got a SATA cable. Nice straight SATA cable. Oh no! It's got my glove. My oven mitt. Okay. Yes. Okay. I think that's all the wires that we need. Hopefully it's all the wires that we need. We need more wires than this. It's gonna be a bad time. Can you stay? Stay. Stop moving around. Oh well. Just jam some of these wires up inside of here. I can lay this kind of flat. It doesn't hurt as bad when you do this when you have oven mitts on. Not gonna be a ton of cable management going on here. I'll go ahead and attempt to put some fans in the front of this thing, because if we're gonna do it, we might as well overdo it. Box of screws. Hopefully I got enough screws in here for mounting these fans. Oh boy, you ever try putting a PC together with oven mitts on?
No. Why are you wearing oven mitts?
Why do you think I'm wearing oven mitts? You know when people do arbitrary things to make things difficult on themselves?
No.
Here we are.
I've never once done that in my entire life.
We call this a handicap. How do you body your friends at golfing? You give them a handicap. So they feel like they're winning, but they're losing. Make sure you put your I/O shield in. I/O shield is in. Put the motherboard in. Let's try this again. I mean, the motherboard is in, kind of. Magnetic screwdrivers are the way. Are these not the right thread? Please tell me these are the right thread. They are the right thread. Okay. Just don't cross thread it. This isn't so bad. It's really hard to tell when you're spinning the screw if you're not loosening it at the same time. All right. Motherboard is in. Let's connect all these power connectors. Come on, 24 pin. All right, 24 pin is in. Some USB 3.0 going here. That's in there. Oh boy. I'm not going to be able to do this freaking CPU connector with my hands. I'm going to have to do that with... Oh boy. That CPU connector is really far down in there. All right, we got half the CPU connector down in there. The other half. This CPU connector is actually turning out to be the worst part. Come on. Come on. This is the worst. Come on. Getting so many stringers in my gloves. Cut all the stringers off my gloves. It also doesn't help that I can't see it. Like when my gloves are in, when my oven mitts are in there, I can't see. I wonder if you can run it with just a 4-pin. It's only a 65-watt part. Why does it need more than an 8-pin? Or more than a 4-pin? Oh, that looks promising. Why is it? Oh, no. Oh, god dang it. I had them in the wrong holes. Why are you doing this to me? This has literally turned into be the worst part. Okay, that one's in. No. Stay. That was a massive pain in the butt. Is there a fan header back here? Oh, we do have a fan header. Oh my god, why? Why are you right there? I already said there wasn't going to be a ton of cable management. Good enough. SATA cable, come on SATA cable. Come here, buddy. Come here. I need you to be facing this way. I need you to just plug into any one of these random holes. Almost tried taking my glove with it. SATA's connected. Do we do the easiest thing in the world and only connect the power wire? Power switch connected. It's kind of cheating. I mean, I could get them all in there, but it'd be very difficult. And oh my god. HD audio, of course, right? You know, you gotta have sound when you're playing with your oven mitts. I'm having such a hard time remembering that we're doing this with oven mitts. I just keep thinking it's gloves, but these are not gloves. These are worse than gloves. The HD audio jack is so close to the freaking edge of the case that it does not want to go in. I have it upside down. Then let's connect some of these fans up at the front here. One fan connected. Aha. Do not have to use any shenanigans to get that in there. Let's go ahead and put the GPU in. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, it's too big for the case. Oh, wait, it's just big enough. Get in there. Yeah. Ooh, terrible noise. Ha ha. Ha ha. Got one screw in. Another screw in. This should be easy. This should be a walk in the park right here. How hard can it be to plug a GPU in with a pair of oven mitts on? One connector, two connectors. All right. I think we're good. Put the side panels back on and fire this baby up. There's no hope of me doing cable management on this. Not with oven mitts on. We are all the way together. magnetic thingy. Stay. Let's go ahead and plug it in and fire it up, I guess. You thought I was going to stop at putting the PC together. No, the whole setup's going together. Where's my monitor at? It's a pretty good combination right here. A 1070 Ti with a 1700. It's a pretty good combination. Ran it for a while. I really liked it. Ow. I guess it's go time. Nice. Hopefully I don't have to try to reset the CMOS because I'm switching out RAM and processors and graphics cards. Hopefully it'll just post. And we got a post. It's already got Windows on this drive. It's the same drive that's out of Sir Benchy, so I'll have to make sure it gets back to Sir Benchy when we're done. Ignore that. And there it is, guys. A PC completely assembled by a guy wearing oven mitts, armed with a magnetic screwdriver, some scissors. I didn't really use the scissors that much, just to clear off the stringers that come about when you're using oven mitts. Some tiny needle nose, and a dream. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, get subscribed. If you have any ideas of what you want me to do with these oven mitts, leave a comment. And like always, guys, have a great day. I gotta take this thing back apart. Maybe I'll leave it together. Maybe I'll play some games. It has been done.